Hey guys, Sam here, back to another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our G-Body seat foam by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Made in the USA, seat foam is available from 1984 to 1988 bucket seats and 1978 to 1988 bench seats. Each cushion is precision molded from factory seat tooling for accuracy and perfect fitment. The result is a smooth finish with all the correct contours to give your car that fresh factory look. In addition, G-Body seat foam is available with listing wire to aid with your installation when wrapping with upholstery. We've had over 25,000 of these installed since 1985 and are proudly still growing that number. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to follow for more updates and product features. And for more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com.
Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.